Good afternoon, viewers. This is a presentation on express checkout in hotels, requested by my student Abhijit Anand. This topic sounds complicated to students, but it is not. First thing we need to understand is why there is a need for express checkout. But even before that, let us first understand what exactly is express checkout. In a standard normal checkout, a guest comes to the cashier, front office cashier. The bill is presented to them. They examine it. They satisfy themselves. They put their signature as a mark of having accepted the bill. There are no disputes. Then they pay in whatever mode they have pre-decided, or they may choose one mode at that time itself. And that's it. It is over. And then they are free to go. The hotel will issue a luggage out pass to the guest that permits them to take out their luggage. And without that luggage out pass being issued by the cashier, the bellboy will not carry the luggage out of the hotel main door. So this is a standard checkout, and express checkout obviously is fast checkout, quick checkout. Why would a guest need a quick checkout, and why would a hotel allow it? This is what we need to understand first. A guest wants to check out quickly because often checkouts in the hotel are very crowded. There are long lines. Reason? Checkout time is fixed for everyone. Let's say it's 12 noon or 11 a.m. So everybody will be checking out almost at the same time. Number two, there's a pattern of travel to every city. Every city is a destination where people come with a definite purpose in mind. And most people have a common purpose of visiting that city. So they have a similar pattern of stay and also travel. So having a large crowd, a long queue at the checkout is a common phenomenon in city hotels and also airport hotels. What is the problem for the guest in this long line? The problem is the anxiety that they will miss the flight, and second anxiety that because they will be pressed for time, time is short, so they will have no, they will not, they won't have enough time to actually examine their bills, and they are afraid of being cheated by the hotel employees. The hotel is worried that if there's a long line at checkout, and for any reason there's a dispute between the hotel and the guest, it could lead to arguments, conflict, angry emotions. It'll spoil the entire effort of the hotel so far. The hoteliers pride themselves on being the best of service givers, and therefore they would not want the last impression to be a bad impression, because last impression can mean the guest would never return back to the hotel. So express checkout is an arrangement, is an understanding, is an agreement where the guest signs a form, pre-signs a form authorizing the hotel to transfer the amount in the guest account, in the guest bill, onto the credit card voucher. And this credit card voucher is sent to the bank, and the bank will send payment back to the hotel. Now look at the difficulty. The difficulty is in express checkout, the guest does not have to go to the cashier, front office cashier. So how would they know their bill amount? How would they see whether everything is okay with their bill or not? The answer is either in the evening before the date of departure or early in the morning on the date of departure, a copy of their bill is sent to them. In the evening, it could be given to them by the bellboy, and in the morning, it could just be slipped through under the door. And we expect them to pick it up and examine it. And in case they have any confusion or clarifications, they can always call up hotel front office. So this bill is given to the guest, and they are expected to sign it. And this is This contains an overall estimate of the total amount of their stay. They may sign it and give it back to the hotel, or they may not sign it. In fact, they will not sign it because they think that if they sign, then the employees can add any charges and they will be cheated. So they will not sign it. But the hotel has an arrangement, a pre-arrangement of pre-authorization, and that is the express checkout form. Checkout form is either signed by the guest at the check-in itself, where he is informed about this facility the hotel is providing, that you can leave the hotel without having to stand in the line for your checkout settlement. Just look at your bills and go. If the express checkout form is not signed at check-in, then it can be kept in the hotel room, and where no guest can be directed to this fact that the hotel allows the guest to check out on an express basis. Even more effective strategy for a hotel would be to actually send an express checkout form one day before departure of the guest, and then the guest can decide whether they want to take express checkout facility or they want to stand in a line. What is this express checkout form? It is nothing but an authorization by the guest that the amount which stands in their account, in their guest folio, can be transferred to their credit card account, credit card voucher. As they will not visit the front desk, they will not sign their main bill, and this could result in bank refusing payment to the hotel. So we need to have an arrangement where we can show to the bank that we have already taken the guest approval, and that approval is obtained on the express checkout form. In your books, you can read the format of express checkout form, and it is just that I authorize you to transfer my account balance onto the credit card voucher. So the payment part is now ensured, and hotel is secure, hotel is safe. Now the second aspect which we need to take care of is the guest anxiety. Guest is afraid that they might be overcharged since they already have signed in advance. So we promise the guest that we will send a copy of this bill same day on the date of departure through email, and they can examine it. And there's a facility which is called chargeback. Chargeback is a claim by a guest to the credit card company that something in their bill, in the credit card bill, they have not purchased, they do not know what is that, and therefore the bank should not make payment for that particular charge. So the guest has this power that they can stop payment to the hotel on certain things. This taken care of. The third aspect is a room being vacated, and this information being passed on to the housekeeping well in time. Because during peak season, there are back-to-back check-ins and checkouts and check-ins. And if the housekeeping is not informed on time, they will delay in the preparation of room, and as a result, some of the guests may not get their room assigned on time when they check in. So we have a system to make sure that the room does not remain vacant for a long time without this fact being brought to the attention of front office. So we have an arrangement. The guest is told, sir, when you are leaving, of course, you are not supposed to come to the front desk cashier. You are free to go. But you would, of course, call the bellboy for your luggage. So express checkout form, the copy that you have, and the key, your room key, please give both these things to the bellboy. Or we also tell them that there is a drop box either at the exit or at the elevator, and they can drop that key and that express checkout form in that drop box. In any case, the bellboy is asked to confirm from the guest whether they are express checkout, and if he notices that the guest is not going to the front desk, it means the guest is express checkout, and he must obtain the room key an express checkout form from the guest. This is his responsibility. In case the guest drops it in the drop box, then the lobby manager, duty manager, whoever is in charge of that space, he is supposed to check that box after every 30 minutes. And any forms, express checkout forms, and keys there are taken out, retrieved, and handed over to the front office cashier. So, first thing that he does is that he will close the bill of this room, and there will be no further charges posted to this room because the guest has checked out. And second thing he'll do is he'll update the room status, and he'll inform the housekeeping that this room is now vacant, dirty, and they can get on with readying it for the next arrival. So through this process, everybody is satisfied. The guest doesn't have to stand in the line. They are not overbilled or not wrongly billed. The hotel is assured of their payment. They are not denied by the credit card company or the travel agent or the airline or the corporate. And finally, the housekeeping also gets its information on time when they are supposed to start readying the room for the new arrivals. So this is a very smart arrangement which a hotel adopts to make sure that checkout and settlement is as hassle-free as possible for everyone. So this is all about checkout. If you still have any doubts, please ask in the comments of this video. And if this video became too long, I'm sorry.